Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ewenam and you are welcome. So in today's video, I'll be starting my driving school lessons today. Can you guys hear me? Anyway, I hope so. I'll be starting my driving school lessons today. Yeah, so come along with me. I'll be doing that in Hohwe. Yeah, I think I have to do a video and tell you guys or show you guys how Hohwe is so that you will know, you have an idea of the place here. So come along with me.
Keeps one from frequenting health facilities in Kumasi. The guidelines were launched by the Ghana NDC, the most sustainable.
There is nothing you can see to defend yourself. But if you are holding your steer there, step on your brake and the person get down and close the door for you and you go. Nobody will arrest you. You what? You stop. You do not park. But once you get down, the regulatory signs, the mandatory and then the prohibitory ones. So if you have questions now, ask. What? Crossing. You can see this one being what? The footbridge. So this one can cross 100 times a day. Nothing will happen to you once you get.
Hi guys, look at my book. This is not for me though. When you apply for license, that's when you get this book. But currently I'm done with class. I came here 9. I think class started 8, but I came 9. And we had 3 hours, 9, 10 and 11. Currently it's 11 a.m. and yeah, I'm done with my class, so I'm going. Starting tomorrow I'll have class and then practicals. So normally you have to have 20 days theory, 20 days practical, so 40 days. I have only 1 month, so I'm going to do practicals and theory the same week. So when I finish theory, then I do practical that same week. Yeah, so that's what's going to happen. This is the entrance of the driving school, and then the name is not showing. The name is not showing here, but it's called ATTC. I don't know the full meaning, but that's the name of the driving school. Yeah. So I'm going home now and I'll see you guys tomorrow or when I go on the park. Yeah. This is their car, what you use. So beside the car you see the ATTC driving school. Yeah. Good morning guys. Today is day 2. So yesterday I couldn't update you guys because when I closed I didn't come home straight and then I came back late and yeah. So basically what we did yesterday was, I think we have 21 topics, right? So every day they pick a topic, then they do. Every day they pick a topic. So it doesn't matter when you come. When you come, you just join them. So if you join them when they are on topic 10, that'll be your topic 1. So you do it and they get to 21, then they now start again 1, 2, 3 till they get to 9. Then you have to complete your 21. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah, that's how they do it. So it doesn't matter when you come. You can come anytime and you will still be able to finish everything. And so yeah, that's what's happening currently. Yesterday we did topic, I think 19 or so, road signs. Yeah, that's what we did. The warning signs, the inhibitory, mandatory, all those things. That's what we did. And yeah, today I don't know what we are going to do, so I'm leaving. Hey, I just remembered I have to pick up the book. Yeah, so come and let's go. Since yesterday was the day I started, so he said he couldn't inform the practical teacher, so today I'll start my practicals hopefully. Yeah, the sun is making me glow. I look so good. So right now I'm going to take a taxi. Oh, I forgot to wear my earring. Oh, okay, I have earrings. So I'm going to stand by the roadside and pick a taxi.
Now come and check it. I will let people know. All right, so need a tire. So we can now have access to a lot of things. Then is the handbrake wire. So now we are done with what? Losing. And if you want to fix this particular impact, there is a procedure. When you put it, when you tie this knot, you don't go by tying this one or coming to this one. From here, you go this way. If you tie it here and tie it here, this side will go like this and this side will also go like this. So tightening is like multiplication sign. When you go here, you go here, come here. Let's get to what? Your dipstick. Pull it up straight. Don't bend it. If you bend it, it will flow. So get it out straight like this. You can see we have two holes here. One at the top, one at the down. So the top one is the maximum level. And the down one is what? The minimum level. The engine one should always be in between the maximum and the minimum mark. When it gets to the minimum, report to your mechanic. You advise him. If it is below the minimum, don't start the car. You usually lock the engine. I see ya. Next engine will have been non car. To go to a new battle to Mount or you. I can't live any bama to Jila. Now, fit an asenama. Having a spark of one. Never did tell a new bama to one. That's part of what. Now, if it never, I change you while you are talking. That's part. Number you can play engineer. Lola, we are 600 million. Then I have engineer the Beja is closer to 100 million. Have a good engine. I'm a engine. That's part. Engine oil. We are making gauge, Mammy Yobanka. Deep stick. DIP. Or stick. Or for them. Then, once it's inside, we set it back. Maybe I come here, then we are not protection. Make sure you close it well. Never see you when you are driving the car, you are not the people. So close it well. Then you move to your water tank. Some of the water tanks have their mouth where you can pour the water inside. But some of them they have what? Reservoir. You pour the water here, you close it. So it's this one. Yes, open it. And check if there is water inside. That's all. It's level. Top. This is maximum level. Don't feel it because it's having breathing spaces. When you feel it, so these are breathing holes. So make sure you feel that. Water is inside. So you close this one too. You can put your dust tank. You understand? Then we move from here. We now go to where something that will kill us. That is what brake.
Can I give you all of my love till